The different types of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a broad term that refers to a sort of online revenue share scheme involving advertising and selling. It dates back to late 1994, when many e-commerce sites started employing the system and finding that it produces fantastic results. Currently, affiliate marketing is actually a serious player within e-commerce strategy. When an affiliate joins in with an e-commerce merchant of some sort, be it a subscription service, a shopping site, etc., payment is received through referrals done from the affiliate's website, done through the following methods. 1. Pay-per-click systems. Basically, the affiliate displays adverts on their site and is paid when a customer or internet user clicks on that website. 2. RSS feeds, or blogs, even personal sites, can sit under this category. Blogging is fast becoming a staple form of marketing and promotion, and affiliate marketing partners well with this form of online communication. 3. Comparison sites and shopping directories, such as review sites or legit advertising sites. For loyalty sites, this is when a reward system is in place via a cashback or points-back system, or charitable donations. 5. Coupon sites that focus strictly on marketing and promotions. 6. Email lists, legit email lists to subscribers of the affiliate's website, etc., not spam. 7. A registration path, when a person registers with a specific site, be it for a newsletter or subscription, offers from other companies are represented and advertised. 8. Networks, there are many affiliate marketing networks. Some even function on a multi-tier or multi-level marketing sort of setup.
Content produced and distributed by All Superinfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.